thank you very much for offering us such a valuable program.
Okay, most welcome.
And you know, I joined your group, affirmation group and gratitude group since 2 years ago. I joined, and regularly I am writing gratitude and this affirmation also. It helped me a lot.
Okay.
And what happens I don't know, but whenever whatever I feel na, same thing, same kind of affirmation I get every day. So I feel how Honey ma'am know about me all these things. How it is coming. Some day ago I was finding my limitation and I was trying to release my patterns and all. So at that time, some day ago you sent the I am releasing with ease and all this kind of affirmation. So whatever is going on in my life now, same thing you are sending me. I don't know why and how it is happening, but I understood in yesterday's session I heard you that we attract like things, na? So I feel same way I was attracting. Last 2 months से I was 2-3 मंथ से मैंने ये शुरू किया है कि आई वांटेड कि मुझे अपना एक नया वर्जन चाहिए. मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है सितंबर में, तो मैंने अपने आप को प्रॉमिस किया था कि टिल माय बर्थडे आई वांट माय न्यू वर्जन. ओके, एंड आई गॉट दिस प्रोग्राम आल्सो. So it's so coincident in my life. अभी मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जो मैं चाहती थी वो आपके थ्रू मुझे मिल पाया.